What is up? Let me make sure everything's working. I am trying out something different today, guys. I'm not in my room. Today is a big day. Big day today. Just gotta make sure audio is working. Let's chase this move. Audio is working, and let me just make sure chat is there with me. We're live, boys. We are live today. We are live. Okay, the market is dying. It's dying. It's completely dying. Doesn't want to go higher. I need my tablet. I can't. I need my tablet, boys. Let's see what's going on. We are still in drawdown, unfortunately. Still in drawdown. That's not good. My tablet is like at 26%. That's not good either. I'm gonna get out. Let's see. Need higher time frames. 45. I feel like the market could be going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth today. It's just how it did it yesterday. It was just going back and forth, back and forth. Real nothing of a directional bias yesterday. Yesterday was like a horrible day. It was like amateur hour. And today I only have two screens with me. So if we really want to talk about amateur hour, it'd be today. Today would be amateur hour. But I'm ready to adapt to whatever the market has in store for us today. I will need some higher time frames. I will definitely need some higher time frames. And I just exposed every time frame I use. Okay, we got that. First thing I notice is this right here on the left side of the screen. Tagging that, it's hit 50% perfectly. That gives me confidence to remain in the trade. Because I am taking so many losses and I'm literally about to blow the account, I'm about to take some out just to be conservative. There's there's no you should never ever be embarrassed for taking profit. Never should you ever be embarrassed. So what? I didn't get the big move. So what? I don't get the big move. You want to take profit no matter what. Because the opposite of not making money is losing money in trading. So you rather be a winner or a loser? Because around here, we only win. Because we are the cult of winning. We are the cult of winning. We are winners. Man, come on. One more. Keep going. Keep going, baby. Keep going. Keep rushing. What time is it? It's 10. Actually, it's 1:02 New York time. It's 1:02 New York time. We have till 1:30 where the market starts bringing more volatility into the market. All right. Chat, are you guys long or short? Long or short? What do you think? I want to hear your guys' opinion. Long or short? Boom, we took one more. So ideally, ideally, I want to pillar in and out the market. Uh, to do that, I need to know where this wants to go. Where has it gone? And where it could go. So now we're going reverse. We're going to add two contracts because we're going to save capital. Just protect as much capital as we can today. Like I said yesterday, kind of went off tilt. We really went off tilt yesterday. Just like that, I want it to just start spilling lower. I even respond to this. Just gonna wait for it. Let's see. How many screens do you guys have at home? Like, how many screens do you guys look at? Because I normally look at six. Today, I'm limited to only two screens, and I feel like I have like tunnel vision right now because I don't have all my six screens. No issue, no issue, because we'll adapt. We will adapt. We will adapt for sure. All right, it's going lower. That's a good sign. Man, I feel like a ref here. Like, come on, go lower. Keep going higher. All right. Again, don't ever be ashamed to take some off the table. Take one off the table and let it ride for you. Come on, baby. Come on. Ride for me. Ride for me. Keep on going for me. I'm like a bull rider, you know? I'm riding through this shit. Come on. Come on, baby girl. Keep going lower. All right, I'm gonna add some more. Don't try this at home. I'm gonna add some more. I'm gonna bring my stop loss lower. All right, come on, baby. I feel good today. I feel good today. Today is gonna be a good day, boys. We are winning today. Let's wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Brother, I'm looking at two fucking screens. This is actually giving me anxiety right now. Two screens. Okay, what did we just do? We tagged that low. So I have that low right there and that low right there. I feel good. I feel confident in this move. We've gone lower. There's that right up here. There's that up there. Before that, there's that. Before that, there's that. And now there's that right there. I need to start using the names. This is an order block. There's an order block right here. There's an order block right there. I think Trump is sending this lower. Come on, Trump. Come on. You got this, Trump. Let's go, Trump. Let's go, Trump. Let's go, Trump. Let's go, Trump. Send this lower. All right, I'm gonna take one off. My bias has changed. No harm, no foul. No harm, no foul. I'm gonna go long. I'm gonna go long two, and I'm gonna be very conservative with my stop loss. I'm gonna wait for it to start really going higher right now because we've gone lower. We have this, we have that down there, and we have all these right here. We have this order block right up here. So the order block is what I'm looking at right now to want to see it get taken out. So I'm waiting for it. Oh, buddy. Come on, buddy. This next candlestick, we have this candlewick gap that it could go to. Before that, we have this right here, this BISI, and above that BISI, we have this right here. Now we're engineering liquidity right inside the BISI, and of course, we have engineered liquidity inside this SIBI. Okay, we're going higher again. I'm trading against the trend. The trend is going lower. So I'm gonna be conservative. I'm gonna take one off real early. I say early, but this thing could turn on me. I'm limited to just two screens, so this is gambling. Basically, I'm gambling today. But I feel confident in what I know. And if it stops me out, stop me out. All right, we took that low, we tagged that candle wick gap. All right, now there's that engineered liquidity, and there's liquidity right above there. So we want to see a strong spool higher to this order block, unless I'm missing something. Oh, that order block right there. All right, we're tagging that again. We're tagging that candle wick gap. My stop loss is there to protect me. It is the stop loss is your friend, not your enemy. It is there to protect you, not mess you up, you know? I'm trying to watch my tongue. I'm trying to make this PG-13. And just like that, boys, just like that, take one off, and I will go short again. And one more. Oh shit, not three. Made a mistake. That's okay. Just correct it. We're gonna put our stop loss above here. Yes, it's wide. Actually, shouldn't be that wide. Let's put it in the order block. This order block should not be tagged. And let's just wait for this to be taken out. Now tell me, how many influencers there to get in and out the market? You've seen me getting in and out the market. How many people can do it? How many people have you seen do that? How many of your favorite gurus can tell you this confidently what it's gonna do before it does it? I don't see many of them. All right. Conservative, just like that, boys. Just like we are the cult of winning. We are winners here. All right. Let it go. Let it go. Let it just go. A little lower. Wait for it. Wait for it. That's to get people in again. It's to get long people to go in and think that it's going to the order block. It's not going to the order block. We have this order block in the way now. We have this order block still in the way. Now we have this in the way. Now we're just waiting. We're waiting for this to get tagged. Just give it a few minutes. A few minutes. What is it? It's 10, 11. So we're after the macro. We're in outlier time. And outlier is from 10 to 11. If you're not picking up with the pace, if you don't know the words or the terminology, I suggest you should go watch my YouTube videos. But we are in the outlier macro right now. And it lasts from 11 to 10, 19. Or 1010 to 1019. That's the outlier macro. You gotta wait for it. There's this order block. Like I said right here, this is in the way of this order block. So I want to see how price responds to it. It's 10. Oh, sorry, 10 my time. It's 1:11 in Eastern time. You just gotta wait. All right, that's tag. All right, there's that order block that I mentioned. Now we gotta wait for it. There's engineered liquidity inside this candle, this SIBI. Want to see which one we'll capitalize on. And it looks like we're going to capitalize on, just wait for it. There's relative equal lows or relative equal lows. Don't always have to be taken out. We capitalize on the uh, lows. What would that be? Sellers. We capitalize on sellers. We're tagging a candle wick gap. We still have that engineered liquidity. My eyes are still at this order block. What's about to open? Uh, 15-minute candlestick might open soon, so my eyes are on that. Okay, let's do our last take. Let's just wind this one a little bit. I believe we will strongly want to start going lower. So I'm just holding on that. Let's see where we're at right now. At 245, that brings us back at break even from yesterday's loss. So go watch yesterday's live stream if you want to see me hiccup. It was hard to engage. I'm having a hard time engaging with chat and trading. But watch me. In the future, there's a future version of me out there who engages with chat and is the best day trader to ever live. Quite literally, best, the best. Please tell me how many other gurus can tell you how to get in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out the market. Man, maybe I've taken some losses in front of you guys, right? But I'm only getting better. The more losses I take, the closer I get to being that great, that the greatest out there take the biggest losses. All right, so we have this order block right here. We have this BISI right here. We are time delaying inside this candlestick. So if we're time delaying inside this candlestick, that BISI is definitely high probability, but we can't undermine that we're time delaying inside this candlestick. If we're time delaying inside this candlestick, I want to go into the lower time frame, so the 30-second, and boom, you see that? Do you see this? Do you see that? It tags it perfectly. We have 50% and full rebalance. We always want to see inefficiencies get full rebalances, but we're time delay inside here. We're tagged that. Most likely we'll start going higher. All right, wait. We might take a jump higher. Actually, I'm gonna get out. We'll do a jump higher, just like that. We'll go a little bit higher. We might fully rebalance this. It just depends. Since we have this wide open gap, we could go up to tag that to go back to this order block. So I'm gonna wait on that. Let's wait on it. Remember, this is the 30-second chart. And what do people say? You can't trade a 30-second chart. You can't sub 1 minute charts. It's noise. Well, not for Brian Ramirez. So let's just wait for it. All right, we're going to tag this candle weight gap. Let's wait for it. Wait for it. Okay, we're strong. I would say we are strong. I'm gonna use one contract just to risk manage. Risk managing is everything in this game. If you don't believe in it, if you want just go all out, all or nothing mentality, then guess what? Most of the time, it's not even 50-50. Most of the time, it is 90% you'll end up with nothing. Boom! Before the fact. Go back into the live stream. See, I called it out before the fact. How many people out there could do that? Not many. And you've seen it today. Let's do it one more time. Let's be conservative. Let's add once it goes really low. I think I could go lower than that. It's going higher. What's in the way? There's that in the way. There's that in the way. There's that in the way. That's been in the way. That's low enough for me. It's low enough for me. And I'm going to add one more stop. One more stop right below that. It takes me out. It took me out. I don't care. Still got some skin in the race. Isn't that an old saying? Skin in the race. That's such an old saying. All right. Come on. Let's wait for it. Let it just blow up. Blow up. All right. I'm gonna turn it to the 1 minute chart because I need I need higher time frame view on price. Okay, we're going lower. We've hit that. There's still that in the way. There's that in the way and that in the way. I would suggest that maybe this will get stopped out. My first, this one would be stopped out, and then this one might be saved. I just gotta wait on price right now. I'm really looking for price to go up here and to this order block. So let's just wait and find out. There is a candle weight gap right below this. I might be screwed in a way. So let's just wait for it. Just wait for it. Wait for it. All right. Yep. That's permissible. That's okay. We still have the other one. All right. We're in a strong sell program. Strong, strong, strong. What was that? 50. Okay, we tag that. We have this order block right here. What are we doing? We're still time delaying. We use this candlestick wick. Okay, great. Look how we're tagging that. Now we're up here. Let's just wait. What time is it? It is 1:18. So we're entering the 120 macro real soon. 120 macro is coming up. So I'm in good hands. I'm still trusting this trade. Let's wait for it. Awesome. Come on, baby. Use that as speed. Once it takes that out, it just did it. Now it wants to speed out, wants to just use it. Disrespect it, like really disrespect it. Just show like, no, I won't go higher. Keep going lower, keep going lower. There we go. A little bit more strength. We really want to attack 50%. And this would be my last trade of the day. Last trade of the day for sure. I can't be in and out all day. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. All right. Give it some strength. Give it some room to move. We will open. It's 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3, 2, 1. Boom. All right. Now spool lower with strength. I do it. Not bad. Okay, what's in the way? Tag something down there. That's in the way. Tag that. We also have that. We have this order block right here. I won't ignore it. First thing I could do is ignore tiny little order blocks. Believe it or not, no matter how small an array is, no matter how small a PD array is, the market will respect it no matter what. All right, one. All right, one right here. I gotta look at the charts. All right, 9 minutes for what? 9 minutes. And, 9 minutes and a 1:30 candlestick will open. Just gotta lock in. We're time delaying. We have liquidity above the market. We have this fair value gap in the way of this order block. Right there. Let's make it blue. Okay. Just gotta wait on this. Alright, let's tag the fair value gap. And now let's see if it wants to go lower and not tag that order block right there. So I want to see if we could just not tag the order block. Okay, we tag that. Oh, wait, where's mine? That's dangerous. There we go. Right there. All right, we're fully rebalancing this fair value gap, which is a good sign. We have another fair value gap right above here. And then we have the order block, of course, but I prefer not to see the order block tagged. I prefer to see that inefficiency fully rebalance and then start taking price lower as it is right now. All right, waiting for it. And we have this order block right here. I want to see if we can engineer liquidity inside of it to make it a more susceptible array. Keep going. And I believe this will be a measured move. Take that off. All right, there's liquidity inside the order block. I want to see if we could rocket fuel inside of it. And we also have engineer liquidity inside of this candlestick. So we have engineer liquidity above here and below here. I want to see this close. At the moment, we have this right here, which is a volume imbalance. That's a draw at the moment. Let's make it pink. That's a draw. Our engineering liquidity just below that volume imbalance. That's a good sign. In 17 minutes, we'll open a 24 candlestick. That's a 2-minute, that's a 5-minute. All right, we're tagging the volume imbalance. And now I want to see price start going lower. All right. We tagged it, we fully tagged it. And it's going higher. I might be offside. I'm offside because I prefer to see price to respect that. That would show me strength. Let's see, let's see. Let's see. There's still this fair value gap in that order block. I'm not too worried. And we still have engineered liquidity right below here. I think it's a matter of how big your balls are. If you got big balls, then you could probably sit through this. If you got tiny balls, this might be a little scary. It just depends on the ball size you have. Sit up straight. Still sitting through it. Damn it. All right, so I was right. It does want to go higher. But live and learn. Where are we at? 122. 122. What does that do for us? What does that do for us? Eval. Let's go and delete it. Let's go on the account details. Total P&L. 122. Yeah. There's almost like a trend. I make $100 when I win, and when I lose like around 300 trading days. I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna take a break and I'll be back. I'm gonna take a break for now. I'm just gonna sit, watch price, and I'm gonna sit and watch price. I need a break, a mental break from all this. All right, I'm waiting. I'm waiting, guys, because I feel like I've used all my mental capital, so I'm waiting. I'm just looking at what price could go to right now. There's this order block right here. There's still these draws right up there. Just gonna wait on price. There's this order block right there. Just gonna take my time with it. Not gonna rush. Worst thing I could do is rush into a trade. What's about open? In 3 minutes, a 130 candlestick is about to open up. Just gotta wait. Gotta really wait for it. I'm and I'm curious whether we'll tag this order block or not. All right, that's something I would want to capitalize on. Right there. Yeah. Put my stop right below here. Confirm it. relative equal highs. Actually, I'm gonna let this one run. I think we'll go completely higher. All right, I'm just gonna wait right now. Um, I'm putting all my faith on this right now, on the order block. That order block is where I'm basing my trade off of. I'm gonna turn it purple. So my order blocks are purple. These are the different order blocks I've noticed. And keep in mind, I am looking at two screens. I only have two screens to look at right now. Oh, that's why. Okay. What do you think, chat? What do you think? Hit or miss? Is it a hit or miss? You think I'm taking an L or W? L or W? What do you think? There's liquidity above here. There's this fair value gap right inside here. We've tagged that. There's that down there, but there's this right here. Let's find out. Let's find out together. Let's hold hands and find out. Okay. There's this order block, now mitigation block. I'll turn it yellow. I know yellow is such an ugly color, but I don't know any other color for a mitigation block. Alright, we're fully rebalancing it. That's good. We've tagged that, so you really want to see it start going higher. Alright, it's 130. There's a fair value gap right there, right ahead of that. We've tagged that. Come on, buddy. I'd say this should really go higher. Like, really go higher. Like, no joke higher. Okay, there is that order block right there. Let's be honest, it's not really going for the order block. It's going for the liquidity above the order block. Yeah, you heard that right. It's going for the liquidity above the order block. And we just so happen to have an order block right here. Let's make that red, yummy purple. Let's make this one black. Let's take this off. That's a good sign. What's in the way? I want to see that get tagged right. What's in the way of it? That right here. Oh, ho, ho. Let's go into 30 second. Let's go into 15. Let's go 30. What's in the way? There's a fair value gap right here. I want to see if we respect the fair value gap. This fair value gap right here. Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's make it blue. My fair value gaps are blue. All right, we tag it and we're using a mitigation block. The yellow is a mitigation block. We're using 50% of the mitigation block. This is the 30-second chart. What's in the way of this? Well, we tag that. We've hit that. We could start going back up here. I really want to see it after this. I don't want to see it go any lower. And I just want to see it start rocket fueling right up there. Come on. Come on. Come on. This is technical science. You've never seen this before. When has a YouTuber ever told you to go on the 30-second and told you where it was going to go before the fact? No YouTuber has ever done that. No YouTuber. Man, all right. All right, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Let's be humble. Let's be level-headed so then we don't make mistakes. We are looking for liquidity above here. What's in the way of it? That order block. We've hit that. What's in the way of that? That right there. All right, come on. 17 more, 7 more minutes, 6 more minutes, 5 more minutes, 4 more minutes, 3, 2, 1. Oh, we have that in the way. All right, I'm gonna start taking some partials because I'd be an idiot to not take a partial. Took a partial. And now we're gonna take some more partials. Come on, baby girl. We're back at 9. Bad. Not bad. Let's make it 200. I want to make it 200. All right, what's in the way of this? That order block. That order block is being hit. We also got that in the way. Are we taking liquidity? We're taking that liquidity, but we're also engineering more liquidity. Where else have we engineered liquidity? Right below here. Right below here, we have engineered liquidity. And we have that right there. We have this right here, which is good. All right, what's in the way? We have that, and we have this fair value gap. We have that. So I would want to get in here to tag that out. So we will tag this out, this candlestick. This candlestick will take me out. It's gonna take me out. It has to. It's designed, it's algorithmic, it has to. If not, the algorithm's broken if this candlestick doesn't take me out. If this candlestick doesn't take me out, either I don't know the algorithm or the algorithm's broken. Fuck on. Or maybe I'm a little too precise. Either way, fuck, I was way too precise. Next candlestick should take this. Actually, no. Next candlestick should try to go back here. And then can the third or fourth candlestick take me out? I think I was a little too precise, guys. I was a little too precise. The algorithm is not broken. So it should go back here. Yes. And then the next 1, 2, 3, maybe the 37th candlestick. Actually, no, the 37th candlestick will start going higher. The 38 might consolidate. The 39. By 139, should the market take me out? Yeah, all live. All on the live stream too. By 139, should the algorithm take this out? So now I just gotta wait on the market. After this fair value gap, let the fair value gap get tagged. I'm gonna lift up my stop because at any moment they could just manipulate the market. Okay, we've hit that. What's in the way now? We are at 36, 37, 38, 39, 39. Waiting for 39. 39 should take me out. It's 37, no, 36, 37 should start going. 38 should consolidate. And 39 should really hit this. And then 40, I don't know. I'm not there yet. I don't drink coffee. I don't drink coffee. Maybe I should. No, I shouldn't. Coffee is a stimulant and it's gonna affect the way you trade. You don't want to drink coffee. You don't want to smoke weed. You don't want to do any substances while you day trade. Day trade itself already hypes you up, you know. Adding substances is just gonna make it a car. It's gonna make it a car accident. You don't drink and drive. Why do you drink and trade? All right, all right, all right, all right. Let's wait for it. We should not tag this anymore. This should be invalid now for the moment. For the moment. Still gonna refer back to it later on, but I shouldn't be looking at it right now. All right, we have this in the way. We're going to engineer liquidity. I'm looking at these lows right here. Looking at this. I'm looking at that. I'm looking at 50%. We can tag 50%. We also have a volume imbalance right here. Right there. Let's make that pink. My volume imbalances are pink. And what are we at? 37? Yes, 37. Then we could expect 38 to either take that out. If 37 doesn't, then maybe 38 could go back up here right before 39, but 39 should take this out. Please drop a like and a comment if you're enjoying this. All right, we are in 38. 38, like I said, could go out here. We can tag that. What's in the way? That right there. Okay. We are tagging that. Now we have this low right here. We can take that low. What's in the way of the low? That opening. That opening's in the way, and boom, 38 does it before 39. I was wrong by a minute. Do that! Tell me, how did I do that? Explain to me, how did I do that? Because there ain't a motherfucker out there who could do exactly what I just did there. And you got to witness it on a live stream. So who you want to call a fraud? If I ever sell a course, and I don't think I will, but if I ever sell a trading course, that's amazing. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. Keep in mind, I'm looking at two charts right now. I don't have my six time frames. So let me see why is he doing that? Ah, look at the 90 minute. You wanna know why I did that? You wanna know why it spooled so quickly? Look at the 90. What does it hit? It hits the opening of this down close. That's why it spooled so quickly. I'm only limited to a few charts. But if I ever sell a course, you can't say shit. You know what? I'm dropping a course tonight. Tonight I'm dropping a course, a training course, and it's gonna be $5.99.99. No, I'm playing. I'm playing. I'm playing, guys. If you're a foreigner, I'm joking. So I realize there is like a language barrier between foreigners and English. That's it, boys. I'm done. I choose when I want to get into market. I choose when I'm gonna touch this bitch, and it doesn't tell me when or when I'll trade. I choose, not the market. I choose when to trade. So that's it for today's live stream. Thank you for watching. I'll be back tomorrow at 9:30. Or how long is the stream? Wait, let me check how long the stream is. What time did I start? Did I start at 10? Oh, I did. I'm gonna go for another hour just because I want to make sure the streams are like an hour long. Uh, yeah, I've been here for only for maybe 30 minutes. All right, I'll sit through this for another 20 to 30 minutes. Uh, 20, 30 minutes. Just gotta wait. So I'm looking at this right now. I'm not getting in. Just gonna sit through this, just watch price action and see what it wants to do. What have we done? We've tagged that. We've tagged that. So then we've gone higher. This is what I'm talking about. I need my time frames. I need like my multiple time frames. I need my 6 screens. Actually, I have yeah, six and a tablet. I'm not gonna say it. Six and a tablet. Yeah, you could do the math on that. Um, we're tagging that. It's gone lower. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. You don't want to see this order block taken out. This is a 30-second, by the way. You don't want this order block tagged at that time. You have this order block tagged now. Now we're using it as quadrants. Let's put purple on it. We're tagging that. We have engineer liquidity on it. We've gone higher. I want to see if we could go to, no, we are not going 50. I want to see if we could fully rebalance this candlestick. All right, fully rebalanced now. I want to see a spool. Take that high. Just like that. Fuck yeah, bro. Come on. How good? How good? Man, I give it to Jesus. I gotta give credit where credit's due. I give it to Jesus Christ because he's my Lord and Savior, and without him, I wouldn't be able to come here and call it live each time, each day, each candlestick, each Oh, it's a 15-second chart. I thought it was in the 30. Each 15-second candlestick, I give it to Christ. He is the way, the truth, and the life. Which is great. Great. It's always good having a relationship with the creator of everything. Now, tag 50%. We have that in the way, so I will tag this order block next. All right. I don't know if I want to see that order block tagged. Most likely not. Missed that. I need my higher time frames. Actually, no, this was manipulation. That's manipulation. Unless I'm missing something. What time is it? It's 1:44. Let's go to a let's go to a 30-minute. Oh, let's go to a 1 hour. Let's go to a 2 hour. All right, let's go to a 45. Dare I say 20? Let's see. No, it's not manipulation. Well, it is, but it's not really. It just took it way quicker. Nice. Now I need the 1 minute. Actually, why not? Why not? Why not? It's gonna be quick. Why not? It's like taking candy from a baby. Why not? It's in the way. There's that. There's this right here. All right, give it a few minutes. It's really gonna try. Take your cookie. Always take a cookie. This is a cookie. And get your best case out here. Best case out here. Right there. If you're too perfect, you're not getting filled. If you're too precise with the market, or you're too precise with the algorithm, you will not get filled. Baby girl. Don't be too precise. You gotta be a little dirty. You gotta be dirty entries, dirty exits if you want to get in the market. But yeah, do this. Alright, take it up here. Wait for it to really start knocking me down. It's gonna start going lower, absolutely lower with strength and speed. It's gonna do it at my time. I'm gonna tell it when to do it. I'm gonna say when you're gonna do it. All right. I'll give you the call. 1, 2, 3.5, 2, 1. Blast off. Start doing it now. Go lower. Absolutely lower. It's 147. Yeah, I should do it now. It's 147. And just like that. Come on, baby girl. That's lower risk. And I didn't even need to lower my risk. There we go. All right. I'll be here for another 10 minutes. Another 10 minutes and I'm off. All right, 256. It's good. It's really good. Let's update this. Profit target 1,250 trading days, 4 trading days, and I am down 411. 411. That's not bad. I know if I just take it slow, I go slow and I don't really go for big wins, I'll eventually take it to 200 and then 200 back to 0, 0, and we'll eventually make the 1000 and something. We just gotta keep on going slow, guys. That's the game. That's the game. Go slow. Quantity 73. Damn, that's a lot. Average win $15. Average loss 12. Okay, average win 12, 15, 9. Average loss 16, 9. 6 minutes. Win duration 6 minutes and 34 seconds. Damn, 3 minutes, 8 minutes. Great loss. It's impressive. Not bad. Where am I? I'm lost. Oh, and I haven't looked at these time. Oh, that's nice. Oh, we're going back lower. We're going way lower. This market really wants to go lower. Here, we're going here. From this high, from that high to that high, we have this right here. That right there. And we have that right there. Let's make it purple. I mean, let's make it blue. Let's take that off. Let's shut, take this off, take that off, take that off. Start off there. You know what? A clean slate. A clean slate. Isn't that what we all want? And guess what? You could get a clean slate through Christ. All your sins, everything you've done, wiped away, gone, dotted out. Now that you have a clean slate, what are you going to do with it? Are you going to go back and taint it, or are you going to live a righteous life? Let's see this. Let's see how it responds inside here. We have that right there. That's in the way. We have that right there. What time is it? It is 50. Oh, yeah. This is rocket fuel. Rocket fuel. Second it takes that off, it should start just going lower. Tag that. There's this right here. I don't want to see the market going lower until it tags that. And yes, I would be missing a trade if I'm wrong. It has to tag 50% of this, or at least 25%, 25, 50%, and then start going back lower. But I prefer that it goes lower first, and then tags it, and then starts going back lower. A lot of memorizing, a lot of thinking, a lot of projections and probabilities. And because I'm on a 1 minute and I only have two time frames, I am limited to my perspective. All right, there we go. We tagged it. Now once it start going lower, unless I'm missing something, and that's okay. Fully rebalanced it, and we took it out. I read something wrong. I did it wrong. Oh well. Oh well, it's fine. It's fine, guys. I don't need to be right all the time. It's just basketball. You seen that, LeBron? It's just basketball. Nah, it's everything. It's everything. It's everything, and it's every day. Okay, we're tagging that. I'm just out of morbid curiosity. Will it tag the order block? If it tags the order block, that's not really a good sign for me. Wait, why wouldn't it be a good sign? Let's see, 45, 15, 10. Oh, I forgot about the 10-minute chart. What is that? 2. This has to be a 1. I mean, that's a 1. This is a 2. Oh, yeah. I guess I need more time frames, dude. Dudes. Dudes. I need more time frame, dudes. Like, I'm literally my tablet and my laptop. I literally have no other screen. I decided to live stream inside an office. You know, when the market doesn't know this, but the people who designed these algorithms, they know that people will see this, these big, fat, black candles, or, you know, the traditional red candlesticks. Oh, wait, that's not it. Right there. Traditional red candlesticks. They know you're gonna see a big fat red candlestick. Why? Because that's the standard. You know, that's the trading standard. And it's gonna give you anxiety. It's gonna make you want to keep on going in. Or worse, you're long. You went long here. You went long here. And do you see the illusion? Do you see the illusion? I'll show it to you right now. And I should be teaching these things under a paid wall. I should be charging you for this. 1, 2, 3. I need like a drawing. How do I draw? Can I draw with this? Anybody in the chat knows how to I could get like a pencil to draw on Trading View. Brush, highlighter, arrow, a brush be it. Do you see the illusion? Okay. Okay. Price has gone higher, right? Do you see here? I'm gonna restart this. Take it. Here's the brush. Can I make the brush bigger? Does anybody know how to work the brush? Should I just use arrows? From here to down here, that's failure swings, right? And from this low to right here, that's a failure swing. And from here to here, this time frame, that's a failure swing. Now, there's failure swings, right? And what's right here? Long, big blue candle. So it gives the illusion that the market, even though it's going lower, there's a probability that it still wants to go higher. Now, let's turn it around. From here on this time frame, from here on this time frame, all black candles going lower, right? But from here, all you see is failure swings. And of course, there's this one right here. You still see a failure swing. Your eyes are looking at that one right there, the highest one, or they're looking at the very highest high, and they see all these higher lows, and your brain, because it's all black, your brain thinks, okay, it still wants to go lower. Just how here in this time frame, your brain now is thinking, wait, it's higher. There's failure swings. It wants to go higher. Now, when you view them together, you start realizing, wait, I'm lost. It looks like it could go both sides. And that's the illusion. They want you to think that this market is both sided. It could go both sides, and they do it with failure swings. That's all I'm gonna teach. That's all I will ever share. You know what? No, that's a lie. That's what I'm gonna teach right now about failure swings. But just look at them. You know, if you are struggling with trading and it's hurting your head and you want to kill yourself because of it, TMI, I know, but we've all been there. It's not a big deal, bro. Um, just look at the failure swings. Look at the failure swings. That's my best advice for anybody struggling with trading right now. Just look at the failure swings. Look at the highs, look at the failure swings. That's it. Nothing too complicated. If it was complicated, that would involve a lot of coding. You don't want to code that much. The simpler the code, the more complex the fractal will be. Think about it that way. There's a nice low right there. Look at this low. Oh, it's tasty, mate. Tasty, tasty, tasty. I was late today to the stream. I am so sorry, guys. Just had some things to work on. Let's wait and see what it wants to do. Actually, uh, there's actually liquidity right above here. I want to see if we go high. Actually, we'll study both. Let's call it in the range. Because it is in the range. It's in the range of this candlestick. So let's see, what is the market going to do? Which one is it going to break out of? Are we patient? Because the trade involves a lot of patience. A whole lot of patience. So, what am I going to do after this? I gotta think. I gotta think. What to do after this stream? Wait, I just realized I'm looking at myself as I'm debating whether I should like get close the stream or not. Kind of getting bored and tired. Log out. Let's fix this up. Let's take that off. Take that off. 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 And off. Now let's apply to the screen. That way. Show positions. Instructions. Reset. Just like that, boys. Just like that. We are winning. Winning, winning, winning. We are the cult of winning. What time is it? It's 2:02. We have till 2:05 to hit this. And it did it. But it's relative equal. You know you don't get stopped out if it's equal. It doesn't take you out if it's equal, guys. That's why you can't be too precise when you're in the market. You have to be a little, messy with it Yeah, dirtied the waters a little bit. Wait for it. I'm telling you, 204. That's when they'll do it. 204. But I haven't even explored the place. No, it's pretty big. There's a bathroom. There's a bathroom, closet, and a whole bunch of room to do whatever the hell I want. Man, this is fun. Pretty fun. Yeah, equal highs will not get you out. You gotta wait for it. Let's see, where can it go? There's that fair value gap right here. I don't know if you see it. Right there. It should fully rebalance it. Fully rebalances it, and it can start going back higher. Like that. Alright, it's gonna fully rebalance the SIBI then. This is the SIBI. Right there. And if I'm wrong, then I'm wrong. I am not wrong. Oh, nice. I was off. What time is it? It's the 11:05. I was wrong. I actually didn't do it by the 4. Did it? Might do it by the 6. If it doesn't do it by the 6, it might do it by the 8. When do you think when do you think this market is just gonna have this huge drop lower? I'm talking about massive drop lower. When do you think here? Let's do some predictions. Let's go to ES. When do you think this market is going to just drop and tag this for value gap? Because the way I view it, this is an inefficiency. But to tag that, we need to tag that. To tag that, then can we start going back lower? This is my long-term key level. 4,000, 4,000, and 4,147. It's my long-term key level, okay? Where is Bitcoin? Bitcoin. It's like that. This wants to really go higher. Just gonna weigh on it. What's in the way? That's not in the way. Let's tag that. Let's now hit that. Let's tagging this now. I still want to see it go higher. Why hits that? Why would I not want to hit that? Hit this. It's gone back lower. We've hit that. We've hit this. Yeah, right up there. Just gotta wait on it. Oh, Bitcoin. Bitcoin, let's see. Let's look at it from a 12 our perspective. Looks like it wants to not go higher. 2 to 3 month. 3 months of data. Actually, Bitcoin should go higher. It should go way higher. Maybe tag that, unless there's something in the way. What's in the way? That's in the way. This is in the way. Is there something? There's that right there. Okay. Bitcoin, I want to see this opening tag, and then I want to see that get tagged. Wait, will engineer liquidity go lower, then go back higher, go back lower? I would say yeah, Bitcoin should be going higher, and then can we start seeing it go back lower? Bitcoin. Let's see, what other markets should we look at? Crude oil. Finally, it's going lower. I'm sick of putting all this gas, putting all this money into gas. Not okay with that. Nice. Alright, chat. Let's go to MESM again. Going to a 5 minute chart. 5 minutes. I was wrong. I've been wrong, so we equally tagged that. It went back higher. Let's see why I was wrong. Why was I wrong? Let's get to a 15 minute. This is why I was wrong. I was wrong because of this fucking order block on the 15-second chart. This is just like an eye opener for me. Now using my 6 screens, it's like I'm realizing how important it is to have multiple time frames. Alright, I think it's time for me to leave. I don't really care what happens next. I'll definitely talk to you guys tomorrow. Definitely on time this time at 9:30 a.m.